Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll guide you through the simple steps to activate your Stripe card so you can start using it immediately. Step 1. Gather your Stripe card. Locate your card and make sure you have the card number, expiration date, and CVV code ready. You will also need access to your Stripe account. Step 2. Log in to your Stripe account. Open the Stripe dashboard on your computer or mobile device and log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to activate your card. Step 3. Navigate to Card Activation. In the Stripe dashboard, go to the Issuing section, then select Cards. Find your card and click or tap Activate Card. Step 4. Enter card details. Enter the required card information, including the CVV code, expiration date, and any additional details requested. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation. Step 5. Confirmation. Once your Stripe card is successfully activated, you will see a confirmation message in your Stripe account. Your card is now ready to use for purchases, withdrawals, and online transactions. Step 6. Start using your card. You can now use your Stripe card wherever MasterCard is accepted. Make sure to monitor your Stripe account for transactions and balance updates. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up for more helpful tips.